We're now going to talk about our sales tax. Sales tax is a percent of the selling price on goods and services purchased charged by the government. Sales tax is added to the cost you pay for an item. Example A. At the store, an item costs $112. The sales tax on the item is 7%. Part A. What is the tax? Part B. What is the total amount you will pay? Some criteria for success: find the tax. A percent equation is a great way to find the tax. Remember, percent equation is when you transform the percent into a decimal and then multiply. 7% as a decimal is 0.07, and then you would just multiply. I know how to multiply by decimals. First step is to ignore the decimals, multiply as normal, and then put the amount of decimal places back into your answer. So this would be 112 multiplied by 7. And because 0.07 has two decimal places, my answer must also have that. The product of 7 and 2, 14, carry 1. The product of 7 and 1, 7 plus 1, 8. The product of 7 and 1, 7. My answer must have two decimal places, so the tax will be $7.84. Now, the total amount I will pay is part B. I need to now add my tax to the original cost of the item. The item costs $112. Now, common mistake is not putting your decimal point after to turn this $112 into money so that you can properly do $7.84. We're going to add, bring down our decimal point, and the total amount I'm going to pay will be $119.84. The next problem says, Washington wants to buy some new metallic glitter pens that she can use for grading papers. The set of pens she wants to buy costs $19, but she can use her teacher discount at the store and receive 15% off her purchase. How much discount will Miss Washington receive on the set of pens after applying her teacher discount? So for a discount, you're going to find the discount and then subtract. In this case, our discount is a percentage and not a dollar amount. So we're going to find what 15% of 19 is. I'm going to use the percent equation for this by turning 15% into a decimal, which is going to be 0.15. Now I'm going to multiply decimals. I know how to multiply decimals because I'm going to first ignore the decimals. So it's going to be 19 multiplied by 15. The product of 5 and 9, 45. Carry the 4. The product of 5 and 1, 5 plus 4 will be 9. Then my placeholder, because I'm done with the ones place. 1 times 9 is 9. 1 times 1 is 1. Add. 0 plus 5, 5. 9 plus 9, 18. Carry the 1. We have 285. But we need to remember two decimal places. So the discount is $2.85.